Economy is gone. Project economy is in. When we see around us, what all we do is directly or indirectly related to the projects. So today the word is project economy. And what is project management? Some of you might be from MBA. You have general management, but what is project management? Project management is the application of knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques. When I say tools, project management information system is a tool. Technique means brainstorming is a technique. So in the PMI philosophy, they don't list these are the tools that you will use to manage a project, and these are the techniques that you will use to manage a project. Instead of that, they will just use the word tools and techniques. Because I'm sure when those who are from IT, for them, even a software is a tool. But the language, standards language is this way. So project management is application of knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques to the project activities to meet the requirements.